It's definitely a red card. There's no doubt about that. Yabo. Yaya is the last man there. If the Mexican attacker would have passed him there, obviously that was chances are it was going to be a goal. Yabo. So Yaya took the man down, not aggressively, but the fact that there's contact and Wamlasha pass, it's definitely a, a red. Definitely a red. Denial of a clear scoring opportunity. So what I don't understand is that there is a flaw in the system that Hugo Bros came with, because we are coming into this game. We have three center backs, but it has to be a CDM that actually chases after an attacker and eventually fouls that attacker. I think a defender would have maybe done better. You understand? It would have maybe managed that situation better than Yaya did. Yeah, well, so I'm still asking the questions. Where were the center backs in that situation? Why does it have to take a CDM to do that?